Oh, I'm bored.
Me too.
We should make a TikTok.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh gosh. That's good.
Is this abandoned? Probably, dog. I don't think anybody would live here. Hey, bro, look at this shit. What is that? It's like money or something, like any kind of loan. You trying to learn about IBM engineering? You want to be an engineer? Looking about chip reader, card, and library loans. Bro, it's summer. I'm not trying to do that shit.
No, stop! I hate you. Hey guys, we're here at Barton Springs. It's really hot outside and it's summer. Wait, let's take a funny one. Ready?
Come on, man.
I'm feeling icy now. Choking up the deuces at my ex cause she don't like me now.
And then tag us. You're gonna become so famous.
I know. Freaking TikTokers now.
I wish. No, just kidding.
Oh, shit, fam, look at that. What is this, though? Bro, it's like a tractor or like a construction thing. Bro, when I was a kid, I used to call them excavators because I love construction stuff. Bro, you should get some photos of me with this. It'd be kind of sick, right? Fuck yeah. Yeah. Put my shoes in there. Pose. Gas. Fresh. Let me strike some poses and shit. Fuck yeah. Clean with the kicks. Oh. Why are you making that face? What's going on, man? You live here?
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh shit.
What are your names?
I'm Juan. I'm Emmett.
Juan. Emmett?
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Robert.
Nice to meet you too, man.
Y'all want to see something cool?
Why are you looking at me like that?
I don't know. What are you talking about?
Why are you looking at me like that? Stop looking at me like that.
I have something to tell you.
What?
I like you.
I like you too.
No, but I like you.
You're like in 4th grade saying that. Like, I like you.
Don't make fun of me.
I'm sorry.
No, I think I love you.
Damn it.
You ever wonder, like, someone's watching you or something? Like some guy in some office, or maybe God or whatever, I don't know. But somebody's watching, no doubt.
Are you ready for cheer?
Ugh. Not really.
No.
Yesterday was hard. I don't think I could do that many doubles in my lifetime.
Oh my god, did you see the bird?
Yeah.
Whoa. It's tiny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 11, guys.
Shut that! I got you!
I never said it.
Okay. 3, 2, 3.
All of our bodies. 1,
you want to get back together with him? Because it feels like you do.
I mean, yeah, obviously I do. I'm not talking about him like this for nothing. I just really want to tell him how I feel, but it's just really hard, and
I think you should talk to him about it tonight.
Where are we going?
You'll see.
What's your favorite color of Skittles?
Green. Mine's green or purple.
Can you like catch them?
No.
No.
One.
Oh.
Two.
Yes. One.
Two. Ugh, it's stuck in my throat.
What if we laugh
Like
that?
what if that's how we talked? Like we were like what's your favorite color?
Green.
Are you okay? Can you not breathe? Wait, go get your inhaler. Just try to breathe slower. Take deep breaths. Leila, hurry.
Here.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Just try to breathe slower.
Yeah. Just couldn't breathe, you know. I almost died.
That wouldn't be fun.
Yeah. Like what do we even do at that point? What do
Call my mom.
and be like
Peyton's not breathing.
she was coughing and now she's nothing.
Oh my god, you chewed up the stick. Come here. Granger, come here. Granger, come here.
Pictures just living our life.
Why am I so much more sweaty than when we were actually down the creek?
Catch your breath.
and you know how long I've liked him too.
Yeah, it's been a while.
I don't know.
And I think he's here right now.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah, he might have seen my Snapchat story or something. Look, he's right there.
Howdy.
Hey, you found me.
Yeah. I was watching you.
Oh.
So, you, wanna hop in?
Yeah.
Alright.
This place is gorgeous.
Yeah. I like to come out here and watch the sunset.
What's your favorite trick?
Tabletop. Hands down, tabletop.
What's the secret spell that you cast to fold that?
I wouldn't call it a spell or a secret, but if my leg or my foot hurts after I do it, it's a good one.
So pain is the secret.
Yeah, when I fold it and hold it, if I hurt, it's a good one.
Dinner served.
Dinner served.
Tabletop is ready.
Mm-hmm.
That's a big one.
Did you make a wish?
Yeah, a little something.
Yeah, I like to think of that as one big wishing well.
Why?
Now think about it. Probably take somebody 500 years to find that penny right there.
Do you think that's enough?
What?
To be in love? To be happy?
Yeah, don't you?
That's good for me.
That's good for me too.
I'm kind of excited. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. It's gonna be a little scary, but I think it'll be fun. We just gotta make sure we don't do stupid stuff. Yeah, exactly. Don't be idiots. I did not like that.